So this is Mel Property Investment. As you can see, nandito tayo ngayon sa South Mall. And ito na po yung construction update kay South 2 Residences. So mamaya pupunta naman tayo sa South Residences. So ito na nga. Pagpasok ko dyan, matatanaw mo talaga si South Mall. So very convenient and accessible ng property na to. So, ito naman yung main lobby which is located sa Tower 2. Hindi ko na ipapakita yung ating unit deliverable or mock-up. Kung gusto nyong mag-schedule for viewing, we have non-battable units here at South Residences. So, ready for occupancy na po ito. Pwede na po natin siya gawing Airbnb and rental business for long term. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Inquire now!